The shepherd dog, scientifically known as Canis lupus familiaris shepherd, is a distinctive domesticated canine breed that sets itself apart from other animals. Recognized for its remarkable herding abilities, intelligence, and a strong protective nature, the shepherd dog possesses a unique combination of traits. What truly distinguishes this breed is its historical role as a faithful and hard-working companion to shepherds and livestock farmers. Originating from various regions worldwide, shepherd dogs have evolved to excel in guiding and guarding livestock. Their innate herding instincts, unwavering loyalty, and intelligence make them exceptional working dogs and beloved companions. The shepherd dog is a breed of distinction among domesticated animals, celebrated for its dedication, versatility, and remarkable service to humankind. Sheep. Monkey. Cat. Pigeon. Lion. Hippo. Gazelle. Rhino.